If sophistication is your signature style, we've got just the place you've been dreaming of. Welcome to Avondale Street LN2, the epitome of premier student accommodation in Lincoln. Nestled in the heart of the historic city of Lincoln, the property boasts a selection of ensuite shared apartments, wherein each room comes fully furnished with a private bathroom, plushy double bed, large built-in wardrobes, a workspace, and 32-inch flat-screen smart TV. What sets Avondale Street LN2 apart are the exceptional facilities offered, including a spacious living/dining area and an extended integrated kitchen featuring a stove, oven, and a large fridge, not to mention a washer and dryer for added convenience. What's more, all your utility bills, electricity, gas, Wi-Fi, TV, and water, are thoughtfully included, ensuring your stay is not only luxurious, but also easy on the pocket. Speaking of the location, you're a mere 10-minute stroll from Lincoln University Technical College and a leisurely 17-minute walk from the prestigious University of Lincoln. When it's time to unwind, the Dog and Bone is the place for drinks. And if you're a cafe hopper, Lincoln Arboretum Cafe is a must-visit. With the Cheviot Street bus stop a mere 3-minute walk away and the Lincoln train station within easy reach, all your commuting hassles are effortlessly eased. Don't wait. Head over to amberstudent.com and experience the very best that Lincoln has to offer.